Hey guys, it's Adrian Ramsey right here. Now, this video is from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Now, do you want to make money, guys? Or you want to keep on playing this stuff right here? It's not guaranteeing you money, okay? First, my name is Adrian, and I want to introduce myself to you. And I'm from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and I'm making this video for Wisconsin, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. You could be in Green Bay, you can be in Kenosha, you can be in Racine, you could be in Sheboygan, New Berlin, Muskego, McGuanaco, whatever, guys. I'm making this video to show y'all guys how we can make money, guys. This for the middle class, it's for the poor class, it's for the rich class, that you can earn some money from my Rotator link. So if you stay to the end, I'm gonna explain everything to you guys, because I said to myself that I can go national with my plan, but if I don't get my own state first, how can I know it will work? So I'm gonna go with my state first, Wisconsin, and I'm gonna show y'all guys how I make money, and I'm gonna show y'all guys how you can make money from my Rotary guys. Connect with me. Y'all gonna have everything. My Facebook page right here, guys. Um, Show you a little bit about my character. I do a little stock market right there. I make powerful videos on motivational success right here. Like this right here is special to me because it said gave his homeless $10 when I left work today. Cause I own my own janitorial business, guys. And I usually don't broadcast this, and I usually don't, because I give a lot, but I don't broadcast that. But what he said to me was it was really it was deep. So I gave him my last in my pocket. I had 20 more in my pocket, so I gave him my last 20. So you'll know my character. So I'm not that type of dude that I want to help everybody. I want to help a lot of people. You know, because me helping a lot of people, I help myself also. So it's a win-win to me, guys. And I always tell people believe in that. When you help people, it's a win-win for you, dude. You know, so I always give that advice to people. All right, guys. Enough about me. All right. Second, guys, you'll get a sale page like this, guys. I'm gonna come to the money in a minute, guys. Be patient. Be patient. Be patient. You come to a sale page like this, and we have digital products. Now, this is a one-time payment, and you get rewrite to sell the whole product. So, for example, you'll come in the elevation level at $25, $5 admin fee, and then you got to rewrite to sell it, right? So you'll make $25 instant. And also you get all these tools right here, guys, that you'll learn. You'll learn a lot right here, guys. Videos. Then we got the $100 elevation light level right here. And then the 250 Vertex. And then the $500. And then the Vertex Pro is $1,000. Now, guys, with all that instant pay right there, and you only starting with $30 with my rotator link. All right, guys. So you seen, what you get, the products. Let's go to another page that. Let's see. Okay, this is the page I made right here, guys. That I'm gonna change the video out that you see below when I go down, but this is the page that I can make for you, and you can have your picture up here if you want. So the video will be this video right when I'm talking right now. I'll change this video out right here, but you'll get the $25 instant payments, $100, $250, $500, and $1,000. Make sure you watch the video on the sale page. And 4 things you got to do, guys. Send me a friend request. Um, make a copy of the receipt that that you paid the payment, and send me your sale page. The page I just showed you, the 25, the 100, the 250, that sale page. And last, give me your sponsor full name so I can check them off when they get 4 people. That's how the Rotator link gonna work, guys. When you get 4 people, I take you off the $25 Rotator, and then them 4 people gonna get 4 people, so they gonna automatic uh, upgrade to the $100. And this is Milwaukee, Wisconsin, guys. I want to do this for y'all guys. I know we can do this. All I ask, guys, is to share the link, because I'm gonna use like 50%, maybe even 60% of the money I make from the Rotator link on buying advertisement. I'm gonna put in the red book, the blue book, the onion, the shepherd. So I just ask you to, maybe place the link in your Facebook page, so it can grow faster and faster, and we can make a lot of money, guys. So I hope y'all take this serious. This Milwaukee, Wisconsin. It's your friend Adrian. Friend request me. You see all that right here. Friend request me. Just do these avenues right here, guys. I'm gonna change this up right here. I gotta go through all this video presentation and stuff like that, because I just showed y'all. It's gonna be my sales page right there, and just watch the sales page so you understand the business, and then you get your own people also. But I'm going to help you get a lot of people. So. Um, Once again, it's your friend Adrian, and you don't want to play this right here, guys. $30 start with Adrian, and you can make thousands. Why keep on playing this right here? You can make thousands with me. All right, guys. Once again, connect with me and take me serious on this. I'm a hometown, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and I'm even put my number. I don't got my number now on that